Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do line. Our learning objectives are basic concept of geometry, plane, intersecting lines, parallel lines, perpendicular bisector of line segment. So first is basic concept of geometry. First is point. A point shows an exact location. It has no length, breadth or height. It is the basic unit of geometry. The point is represented by a dot. It is usually named with the capital letter. Here, that is point A. It will show us exact location of something. It is always denoted by the capital letter. Next is line segment. Line segment means part of a line. A line segment is the shortest distance and the straight part between 2 points. It has a definite length. It is named by its endpoint. The symbol for the line segment is this. So here, the line segment is AB. A and B are the endpoint of this line segment. We can also write it as line segment BA. Clear? Next is line. A line goes along a straight path in both directions. It has no end. Since the line is never ending, it has arrowheads on both the sides. Mean it can be extended in both the directions endlessly. A line has no definite length. A line is named by 2 points on it. The symbol for the line is 2-side arrow. This is the symbol of line. This is the line PQ or QP. That can be written as line PQ or QP. Fact file. A line segment is a part of line. Clear? Next is ray. A ray is a part of line. A ray begins at a point and goes on endlessly in the other direction. The direction is indicated by an arrowhead. It has no fixed length. A ray is named by 2 points on it. The symbol for the ray is this one-side arrow. This is the ray RS, written as ray RS. R is the starting point. We can't write it ray SR. We will write it as ray RS only. The rays goes on one direction of S. RS is different from the ray SR. Do you know why? Because here the R is showing the starting point and in direction of S it can be extended endlessly. Clear? Next is difference between line segment, line and ray. Line segment, it has definite length. Line segment means part of a line. It has definite length. Line, it does not have definite length. Same with ray, it does not have definite length. Line segment, it can be drawn, the line segment on a paper. We can draw it on a paper, but we cannot draw a line on a paper, but we can represent it by a diagram. We cannot draw a ray, but we can represent it by diagram. A line segment has 2 endpoints, line has no endpoint, ray has only one endpoint. We can name a line segment both as line segment AB and line segment BA. We can name a line both as line AB or BA. We cannot name a ray both as ray AB and BA. We can name it only as ray AB. Here, this is the symbol of line segment. This is the symbol of line and this is the symbol of ray. Clear? Next is plane. If we imagine a flat surface extended in all the flow direction indefinitely, the extended flat surface is called a plane. What we draw or show on a paper is a part of plane only and not the plane itself. Tabletop, a page of face, a wall or blackboard, etc. These are the example of part of plane. Next is fact file. Conventionally, we use the word line for the line segment and the word plane for the part of plane. Next is exercise 18.1. Fill in the blanks. A dash has no end point. A line has no end points. Clear? Next is intersecting lines. Here, the line SR and PT cross at point B. Lines which cross each other at a point are called intersecting line. The point at which they cross are called the point of intersection. Here the line SR and TP, they intersect each other at point B. So these lines are called intersecting line, and this point B is known as the point of intersections. Clear? Next is parallel lines. Lines CD and EF do not cross each other. The lines in a plane that never meet and are always an equal distance from each other is called parallel lines. Here the lines CD and EF, they never intersect each other. How much we extend them? So these are called parallel lines, and the distance between these two lines will always remain same. Clear? Next is fact file. The horizon, that is an example of line, and the railway tracks are the example of parallel line. Now we'll take an example. Draw a line segment 6.5 cm long. Now draw a line segment parallel to its above at the distance of 2 cm. For construction, we draw a line segment AB 6.5 cm long. Take a point P, say 4 cm from A. Now draw a perpendicular PQ 4 cm using set square or protractor. At Q, we draw the line segment CD perpendicular to PQ. AB and CD are parallel to each other. What we have done? First, we have drawn a line segment AB, that is 6.5 cm. Now we have taken a point P on it and draw a perpendicular PQ on it, that is 2 cm away, using set square or protractor. We'll take the distance of 2 cm here, and then this point Q will draw a line segment perpendicular to PQ. PQ के हम एक perpendicular line segment draw करेंगे, so that is parallel to each other. AB and CD, that will be parallel to each other. Next is perpendicular lines. To draw perpendicular with the help of compass and scale, if two lines are at the right angle 90 degrees of each other, they are called the mutual perpendicular lines. We have drawn perpendiculars with the help of set square or protractor. Now we shall draw a perpendicular with the help of compass and scale. To draw a perpendicular or a line segment from a point lying on it. So for the fact, we will take an example. Draw a line segment AB 5 cm, take a point R on it such that AO equals to 3 cm. Draw a perpendicular on AB from the point O. So construction, first we will draw AB 5 cm, mark a point O such that AD equals to 3 cm. Clear? Now take O as a center and draw an arc taking a radius which meet AB as C and D. Take point C at the center and draw an arc with a radius more than half of CD. Then take D as a center and draw another arc with the same radius which meets the first arc at P. Join O to P. OP is the required perpendicular to AB. So first we have drawn a line segment AB, that is 5 cm. Now what we'll do? We mark point O such that AD, that is 3 cm. A and D, that is 3 cm. AO should be 3 cm. A से हम distance लेंगे 3 centimeter ki will mark point O. So here AO, that is 3 centimeter. Now what will we do? We'll take O as the center and draw an arc like this. It will meet AB at 2 points C and D. Now what we'll do? We'll take C as the center and draw an arc like this. Clear? Radius कितनी होनी चाहिए? More than half of CD. And now from point D, we'll make an arc that will intersect at point P. We'll join OP. That is the perpendicular of line AB. Clear? Next, to draw perpendicular on line segment from the point given outside. Draw a line segment XY 5 cm. Draw perpendicular on XY from the point P given outside. Construction, take P as a center and draw an arc with a radius with an arc meets XY at the point A and B. Now take A and B as a center respectively and draw two arcs at the same radius which meet each other at Z. Point PZ which meet XY at Q. PQ is the required perpendicular of XY. So what we'll do? First we'll draw a line segment XY that is 5 cm. Clear? Now this is the point P that is outside of the line segment. So we'll take P as a center and draw an arc which will cut XY at 2 points A and B. Now we'll take A as a center, we'll draw an arc, and B as a center, draw another arc, and the point of intersection that is Z. We'll join them. So this line segment PQ that is perpendicular to XY. Clear? Next is perpendicular bisector of line segment. A line segment perpendicular on the midpoint of the line segment is called the perpendicular bisector of that line segment. We'll take an example. Draw the line segment 5.6 cm. Now draw its perpendicular bisector. So for that, draw AB 5.6 cm. Take A and B as a center and draw two arcs with a radius more than the half of AB. The arcs meet at C and D. Join C and D. CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So first what we'll do? We will draw a line segment AB that is 5.6 cm. Clear? Now we'll take radius more than half of AB and draw an arc. Take A as a center, एक arc draw करेंगे, then B as a center, another arc. So we'll get 2 points C and D. We'll join them together. CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Clear? Next is exercise 18.2. Draw a line segment PQ 7 cm. Take a point R such that PR 3.9 cm. Draw a perpendicular point R on PQ. So for that, first we'll draw a line segment PQ that is 7 cm. Now take a point R such that PR is 3.9 cm. P से distance लेंगे 3.9 cm की, that is point R. This distance is 3.9 cm. Now take R as the center, draw an arc. These are the point A, B. Now A as a center, we'll draw an arc. B as a center, draw an arc. This is the point C. Now we'll join C and R point. This is the perpendicular of line segment PQ. So practice all the questions of this exercise. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.